Today is all about your 1 and 2 arm freezes. Now, for demonstrating purposes, I'm only demonstrating the 2 arm freeze. This, just like the other stuff we've talked about, once your legs are in the air, you can strike different poses, and there's different terms for each one of them. You can do baby freezes, you can do chairs, or chair sits, it depends on who you talk to. You can extend your legs up, you can do all kinds of different things. You can do double attitudes and like stags and things like that. 1 arm freezes can be done in a similar position, so you could be on the ground in the way that I'm demonstrating, or you can do them out of your handstands. Again, it takes a lot of control to be able to extend into that position. This week is just about getting those foundations down. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about balance points. I will see you then.